Shark Clean Hoovers are these Hoovers that everybody is hyping about. If you don't know about Mrs. Hinch's and you haven't got a woman in your life who is currently watching her on Instagram, like I have, Mrs. Hinch's is a Instagram celebrity who is sharing her cleaning tips on things that she cleans and the way that she uses certain cloths and so forth on cleaning her house and keeping her house nice and tidy. If you've heard of This Morning here in the UK, This Morning is a TV show that airs throughout the daytime, and Mrs. Hinch's has been on that show alongside Holly Willoughby and the Silver Fox. What's his name? Philip Schofield, that's his name, alongside Philip Schofield as well. I've also created a video for Andrew Osborne, who has also been on the sofa of This Morning talking to Holly Willoughby and Philip Schofield. To check out that video, look down in the description, you should find a link towards that video, but it's also got a lot more engagement on Facebook as well, so I'll give the Facebook link so you can go and see what's happening with Andrew at the moment, who is about to film his documentary. Oh yeah, and don't forget to watch this video all the way through, as I have a discount code available for you that I will be giving on screen, and you could potentially get yourself 80% of the price off your Shark Clean Hoover. So without further ado, I'm about to get into the unboxing of our Shark Clean Hoover. You're about to see us open it for the first time, and let's get into it so you can see what Shark Clean Hoovers look like firsthand. So here we have the rose gold Shark Clean Hoover. I'm going to use my favourite kitchen knife to try and open it up and give you an unboxing video that you should see above here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go from the edge. Right there. I'll try and open it up so you can see. I'll try to keep the Hoover in shot as much as possible so you can see. I don't know what I'm trying to do. No, with my parts of it, that makes no sense. I'm trying to keep the Hoover in shot so you can see a lot of it on camera. You can see the unboxing on camera. The DVD leaves like this nice little note. So pop right here. I might even time lapse that. I'm going to stand it up. Nearly as tall as me, no. Pretty cool. Grab the actual shark. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but compared to obviously normal Hoovers, it's not that heavy at all. See, I can hold it with my thumb. Okay, so right now this is all going to be a time lapse of me getting rid of all the boxing and then fitting the Hoover together. So what we're going to do is it's going to go in the launch for it. Do you want to keep that?
Yeah. I'll put it in the punch.
Okay, so you've just seen our Shark Clean Hoover. We then began to use it straight away, and I'm about to give you my verdict on our Shark Clean Hoover. The Hoover has lights everywhere. Like if you're hoovering, if you look down on it, you can probably see in the little shot that I'm giving to you now, you've got a light that shines on the carpet so that you can see any other specks of dust that you want to pick up. And the weight of the hoover is also centralized. What I mean by that is you can sort of pivot the weight of the hoover so that it doesn't feel like you're actually having to really push the hoover, which is actually gliding against the carpet. It feels like it's gliding against the carpet. Like, it's an amazing hoover. Even I have to admit, and I'm not I can't be considered a clean freak, but even I have to admit that this hoover is very, very well made. It's definitely worth buying if you don't like the chore of managing a very heavy and irritating and not being able to move or swivel hoover. If this hoover was a car, it would be a sports type BMW. The hoover is very, very well made and does its job very, very well. If I have a discount code for you, it could expire depending on when you watch this video. If you're not one of the first viewers to watch this video, or if you're watching this video at a later date, meaning that if you look down into the description, I will have a link for you of where you can find other discount codes to potentially get your Shark Clean hoover a lot cheaper. So there you have it, guys. That is my unboxing / first account review of our Shark Clean hoover. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I have more online bargains and discounts and reviews coming to you very soon, as well as your video editing hints, tips and tricks. My name's Anthony Allen Edits. Subscribe to the channel for more. You know where to find me, and peace. See you soon.